With over 32 million Indians living abroad, the Indian diaspora is the largest in the world. In nearly every developed nation, Indians stand out, not just as immigrants, but as innovators, taxpayers, and nation builders. Despite these contributions, racism, xenophobia, and under-recognition are daily realities. In Europe, Indian professionals report discrimination in hiring, housing, and leadership roles. On July 19, 2025, two severely racist attacks occurred thousands of kilometers apart, one in Dublin, Ireland, and one in Adelaide, Australia. In the USA, reports of anti-Asian hate surged post-2024 election, with approximately 87,945 online slurs recorded in January 2025, a 66% increase over November. In Canada, anti-Indian rhetoric intensified not just online, but also through extremist networks calling for mass deportation and celebrating violence. Germany has a history of xenophobic attacks, including a mob assault on Indians in 2007. More recently, a media cartoon in 2023 drew condemnation for racial portrayal of Indians. According to India's Ministry of External Affairs, 91 Indian students were violently attacked abroad between 2020 and early 2025, with 30 deaths. In fact, the Indian Embassy in Ireland had to issue an advisory regarding the racial attacks recently. Indian communities worldwide are being blamed for housing crisis or economic stress, even when purchasing property legally and immigrating on critical skill visas. It's almost as if they are blamed for being competent and hardworking. Beyond physical assaults, Indians face emotional toll too, through false social media narratives, manipulated content, false accusations, intimidation, racial profiling, stereotypes, and being habitually mistaken for other roles despite high qualifications. They are constantly proving their worth, navigating dual identity, facing cultural isolation despite giving everything they can. Every negative story about Indians is amplified on social media, while assaults on them are brushed off. Why are Indians facing the brunt for being brown? Why are they made to feel inferior? Are they the only ones immigrating to different countries? Why so much hatred for them? In the United States, Indian Americans make up just 1.4% of the population, yet they account for over 17% of all doctors. That's nearly 80,000 Indian origin physicians serving millions of patients across the country. In the UK, the NHS employs over 30,000 Indian doctors and nurses, making them one of the largest ethnic groups in the healthcare system. In Canada, nearly 20% of foreign-trained medical graduates are of Indian origin. In Ireland, Indian doctors have become the backbone of rural healthcare, especially post-Brexit, where shortages hit hard. In Germany, over 7,500 Indian doctors and medical staff are helping bridge the nation's healthcare labor gap. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Indian doctors and nurses stood at the front lines, not just in India but around the globe. Indians lead top tech companies around the world: Google, Microsoft, Adobe, IBM, YouTube, Palo Alto Networks, and more. In fact, 58 of the Fortune 500 companies are led by Indian origin CEOs. Indian IT professionals make up over 75% of H-1B visa holders in the US. In Silicon Valley, Indian-founded startups have raised over $50 billion in venture capital since 2010. In Germany, Indian IT professionals are now among the top 5 nationalities recruited under the EU Blue Card system. In Ireland, tech giants like Google, Meta, and Intel heavily rely on Indian engineers, many of whom are also international students turned skill migrants. Indian entrepreneurs are global growth engines. In the UK, Indian businesses contribute over £54 billion annually to the economy and support more than 1 lakh jobs. In Canada, Indian immigrants are the fastest growing groups of business owners, particularly in real estate, transport, and retail. In the UAE, Indians run over 60,000 businesses, contributing heavily to trade, construction, and services. Indian immigrants are not just productive, they are fiscally responsible. In the United States, Indian Americans are among the highest earning ethnic group with a median household income of $139,000, nearly double the national average. This results in an estimated $88 billion plus in tax contributions annually, supporting infrastructure, education, and healthcare systems. In Australia, Indians are the second highest tax contributing immigrant group. In the UK, they contribute billions in income tax and VAT every year. In the United Kingdom, Indian-owned businesses generate over £50 billion in revenue and support tens of thousands of jobs. In Germany, Indian workers contribute hundreds of millions of euros annually in income tax and social insurance, estimated to €1 billion plus collectively. In Ireland, Indians are among the top tax-paying non-EU communities, contributing both income and business tax, estimated to €300 million collectively. Contrary to popular myths, Indian immigrants are a net benefit to host countries. Studies from OECD, Brookings, and Oxford Economics confirm that Indian immigrants contribute more in taxes than they receive in benefits, strengthening public finance and social systems. Highly skilled, educated, and low in crime rates, Indians consistently rank among the most integrated and successful immigrant groups in Europe, North America, and the Middle East. Over 250,000 Indian students study abroad each year in the US, UK, Australia, Germany, and Canada, many in STEM fields. They not only fund universities with billions in tuition fees, but often go on to become professors, researchers, and entrepreneurs. Our message to the world: it's time to recognize the value of Indian expats, not just in numbers or tax sheet, but in humanity, integrity, and innovation. To every Indian abroad, your story matters. Your effort is seen. You're more than an expat. You're a builder of nations, a torchbearer of culture, and a symbol of resilience. This is more than migration. It's transformation, a story of hard work, values, intelligence, and global impact. The world doesn't just host Indians, it thrives with them. Jai Hind.